I am so excited about today. I'm going to get my hair colored by the woman who has done my hair for over 16 years. I will not trust my hair to anybody else. I am long overdue, so I cannot wait to show you the results. I'm changing it a little.
Ash hair.
Okay.
They're my pet peeves with hair extensions.
Yes.
Is especially in balayage, the hair extensions are connected to your head,
yes,
to your scalp. Balayage starts out with a longer root.
Right.
So then through the top, I'm going to do some baby lights so I can get them ashy enough for you.
Great.
But underneath, I'm going to bring some color up pretty close to your scalp.
Okay.
So it doesn't look like there's a disconnect.
Amazing.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, let's do it.
You guys, I'm getting so excited. So this is not glamorous, but this is a midway action shot. We have the baby lights in, she's colored underneath, and now we're going to be doing the halo balayage. You guys, I could not be happier with my blonde. Sarah is a color master, and she improved upon the color even beyond what I asked for in the Pinterest picture. It's even better than I hoped for. She's incredible. If you notice, my hair might look a little shorter than you all are used to. That's because I always have extensions in. So this is the real length of my hair. They're ordering extensions to match my new color, and it gets installed on Thursday. So I will keep you all updated on that. This is Maria. This is the hair extension artist, the only one that I trust with my hair. She's unbelievable, and I highly recommend you come in and see her. Maria is currently installing my Bellamy hair extensions, and it's really cool. It goes in the least damaging process possible. It uses copper beads to pinch close to your scalp, and then you get to keep reusing the hair. As it grows out, you just get it moved up, and Maria is just finishing the install, and you guys, I can't even tell you, you cannot tell they're extensions at all. The blend is perfect. It just looks like I have incredible hair, and it's only because of this one that it looks like this. Okay, it all looks like my real hair. Look at how long it is. Look at how full it is. How soft and straight it is. I just think this is the best hair ever. To those of you who have written me messages, thank you for the sweet hair compliments. I don't feel like I can take any credit because Sarah, the color artist, and Maria, the extension master, get all the credit. I'm going to give you their details on the next slide. Screenshot it. There's also a special deal for you.